The final conflict management style that we're going to discuss is collaborating. And collaborating involves a high degree of concern for the self and a high concern for the needs of others. And it indicates an investment in the conflict situation and the relationship that ultimately leads to a win-win situation. That being said, collaborating takes the most work in terms of communication competence. With collaborating, because it's win-win, neither party has to make concessions, and a mutually beneficial solution is either discovered or created, and both parties end up satisfied. And this helps to strengthen the overall relationship. But it is time-consuming. You both have to be willing to put in the time to properly collaborate with one another. Your book lays out a number of different tips for successful collaboration. Some of these include remaining flexible and realizing that there are solutions that are yet to be discovered. Another is to be able to distinguish the people in the conflict from the actual problem. So making sure that we don't make the conflict too personal. You have to realize and come together to realize that you and your conflict partner are not having a conflict with each other. You are both facing a problem, and you have to work together to solve that problem. Additionally, we have to determine what the underlying needs are that are driving the other person's demands as well as our own, because it might be that we can still meet those needs through different means, right? And there are other things as well, such as making sure that we're not viewing the conflict as a contest, identifying areas of common ground or shared interest, asking questions. And so all of these tips can really help us to be better collaborators and be able to manage our conflict a little bit better. So collaborating, as we said, means that we have a high concern for our own needs and a high concern for others, and we work together, and I mean work, to create a win-win scenario where both parties are ultimately satisfied.